Do you know that various studies and researches have shown that having indoor plants at home makes you happier and healthier? Not just that, it also increases the overall appearance of the space. A list of benefits would be really long to name, but to name a few, plant increases creativity, it boosts mood, reduces stress, eliminates air pollutants, it boosts pain tolerance and healing, and also increases the amount of oxygen in your room. Hello everyone, I'm Rukmini Saha and welcome to Design Cafe Guide, your one-stop solution for all things home interiors related. In this video, we are going to talk about all things green and beautiful. I'm sure all of you are really excited. So without any further delay, let me show you 10 different indoor plants that are aesthetic, low maintenance and best suited for Indian climate. Let's quickly check out the list. The first one is Monstera. I think we millennials really love Monstera. I mean, with its height, the lovely lush green, the shredded leaf texture, what's not to like in it? It is a statement planter in your living room and instantly beautifies the space. Caring for a Monstera is really simple. Just keep it in diffuse sunlight and water the plant once a week. And adore the plant as it makes your space look more classy. Don't forget to prune the leaves once in a while as they grow really fast. Snake plants. Snake plants are one of the best suited plants for keeping indoors. This plant has sword-like leaves which are so unique that people tend to confuse it with artificial foliage. Snake plants are known to purify air, eliminate pollutants and increase the amount of oxygen in your room. Now here's a fun part. According to Feng Shui, keeping a snake plant near your reading space enhances learning. They are very easy to maintain, just keep them in diffuse sunlight, water them twice a week and they are good to go. Areca palm. Now this one's my personal favorite. Areca palms can be kept anywhere, be it a corner of your living room, the doorway or even near the staircase. They look beautiful everywhere. This plant is for sure to make your living room look more classy with its exotic look and bright green leaves. They are supposed to be kept in indirect sunlight and water the plant only when the soil is completely dry. This plant can survive for months without any maintenance. If you're planning for a long trip, just water the plant generously before leaving and that's it. The fourth one is money plant. If only money grew on plants. Well, according to Vastu, this plant is supposed to bring in money and prosperity in your home. This plant is very versatile. It can grow in soil and in water. So you can consider money plant if you want to grow something in a fancy bottle. It's very easy to maintain, practically zero maintenance. Just keep it in diffuse sunlight and water it once a week. Peace lily. Are you a lazy gardener? Then this plant is for you. Peace lily with its dark green leaves and white spade is known to bring in peace and good vibes in your home. It is also known to purify the air, reduces pollutants and emits oxygen 24/7. So for all those people who love plants, peace lily is a must because this is a perfect example of zero maintenance plants. These plants require shade, so you can place them anywhere without worrying. And very little watering is enough as they grow well in drier environments. So watering just once a week is enough. Syngonium. This slow-growing plant is perfect to be kept in small pots and placed at the center of your living room or in any side tables. This plant comes in a variety of colors and according to Feng Shui, it's known to bring in fortune, health, wealth, prosperity and abundance to your home or to your office. This is a very low maintenance plant and requires diffuse sunlight and watering in small quantities twice a week. Isn't keeping this plant a win-win? Aloe vera. We all know about the mind-blowing benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera serves as a remedy to all our skin problems, to being an amazing ingredient for all our summer drinks. Aloe vera's medicinal properties finds a use every day in our every little problem. Well, what's even more amazing is the fact that it's very simple to maintain. Being a succulent, it needs very less watering and grows in the sunniest of places. Spider plant. If you want to start your gardening journey but really scared that the plant might dry out, then get this cute little hardy plant. Spider plants are known to be extremely efficient air purifiers and that's why they are really suitable for the bedroom. The bright colored leaves instantly brightens up your living room as well. They are very easy to maintain. Just make sure that they are away from direct sunlight and water it twice a week. That's it. Jade plant. This plant is a symbol for luck and success. It's known to bring in wealth and prosperity to your home. Naturally, it resembles a bonsai and looks great in shallow trees. They are also known to be very efficient air purifiers and releases oxygen throughout the day. Being a succulent, they need very less water, around once in 2 weeks. They grow well in direct sunlight, hence they can be kept near any window. And finally, Song of India. This really beautiful plant is a perfect example of another low maintenance plant. This plant beautifies any corner of your house and its unique leaves makes it look all the way more classy. This plant grows best in diffuse light and watering them twice a week is enough. Also, since this plant prefers humidity, adding a layer of pebbles over the soil in the pot would help them thrive. Keeping indoor plants helps us to be more connected with nature and with all the other benefits associated with them. Hence, it helps us lead a more happy and healthy life. I'm sure this video motivated you to have an indoor garden of your own. Well, that's it for today. Do let us know in the comments below which was your favorite indoor plant. If you like this video, then do hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content and home tours. If you are looking for home interiors, then do click on the link below for a free design consultation with our expert interior designers.